The child is not completely intelligent. The intelligence possibilities, the potential of intelligence is hidden. It has to bloom up in the future. That's why it's growing. As such, it is not intelligent. It is really an idiot. A child is an idiot in a way. That's why he is catching the snake, putting hands in the fire. Such an idiot. It is. This is the point. You are deriving a very beautiful point now. The child is depending on the parent. Child is depending on the society, hoping that the society or the parents will take the right direction to bring up. But what the parents and the society start doing is that they started conditioning the child like, you are eating. That which is eating is you. That which walking is you. That is you, that is you, that is you. Such a damage.
But is it possible that if you raise them a different way that you could basically negate all the conditioning you have to then uncondition? Is that possible?
A satsang is nothing but unconditioning. What is satsang? Can you define what is satsang? Satsang means that which is conditioned for long, long years is getting unconditioned. This is a place. Whatever you believed is true is proved now it is not true, it is false. That is satsang. That's why it's called satsang. Sat means truth. Because you started believing that which is eating is you, which is not true, which is false.
I mean, it's something. Maybe it's not. Maybe there's no such thing as you or me.
But we're not identifying.
Absolutely, 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 absolutely. It's a question of identification. You are identified with the food, that is, you are eating is you. That means you are identifying yourself, the body as yourself, as the truth.
But that is the day-to-day experience, because it is the body that goes everywhere. It's the body that experiences pain. It's the body that experiences pleasure.
So are you your car?
It's the body that.
If you think the body is experiencing pleasure, why the dead body is not experiencing pleasure? The same body. Every organ is there in the dead body. Eyes are there, hands are there, legs are there. Everything is there, but there is no experience.
I mean, we actually do not know what happens to when a person. I don't know what happens to a person when the person immediately dies. But at least from a scientific point of view, you could say that experience of pain or experience of pleasure involves, all these different systems in the body, right? I mean, the nervous system, the brain. It's there's interaction with the environment.
All right.
And and when a person dies and as the body starts decomposing, presumably, these cells and these tissues are no longer working, and therefore there is no experience. Of course, even I don't know for sure because maybe I'm not dead yet, but.
Okay. So exactly you are here to investigate this. You say that I have no experience of death, but you can have the experience of death while you are living. Do you know that? Why don't you show interest on that? You don't have to wait for another 90 years to experience death. You can experience death right now.
It's actually part of satsang.
That is satsang.
Also look at what dies. Does anything
What dies? Ask the question. Find out. Investigate. What is dying here?
Well, the death to the entity involves just the physical decomposition of whatever is there into, like, a dead body will, if you just put it in the ground, it's just going to decompose. Ultimately, over a long period of time, it will become part of the earth, it will just decompose into atoms.
You are describing about the one part of that, one direction. What about the other direction? You are talking about the body is dying and decaying and decomposing and putting into 5 elements and departing. All these subject you are talking one direction. What about the other direction? What is beyond the body? That's why you are here. You have to investigate, is something beyond the body or only body existing? What is existing? Investigation is needed. The body is dying, everybody knows. No one is exceptional. Every body has to die one day. One can live maybe 300 years. There are some people in my state, Tamil Nadu, they lived 450 years recently. Another man lived for 320, a lady. He's a mystic also. Rare, very rare. But someday one has to die. The body has to die. What is not dying? Investigate, is there something which is not dying here? Investigate. An investigation is needed. That is what is satsang. That is what is spirituality. That is what is meditation. To investigate. I agree with you. The body dies and it decomposes and goes into earth element, water element, fire element, all these things we know.
What does that have to do with you?
Yeah. Is that the whole story of it? Investigate. How to investigate? Understand. Sitting silently doing nothing. That's the only tool, easiest tool to investigate what is dying, what is not dying.